JavaScript is full of secrets to improve your performance and code readability, so your senior developers no longer have to wonder what the does this code do during reviews. One of these secrets are maps. Unlike objects, maps in JavaScript let you iterate using their for of loop, which will return a key value pair. It's simpler than objects where you'd have to use the for in to get the values and for in objects.keys to get the keys. This saves you precious keystrokes, giving you time for more important things like debugging Copilot code. Previously, if you had an object that you wanted to create a deep copy of, you would have to use the weird json.stringify, json.parse magic. However, with maps, you can achieve the same result by using the new map old map definition, which makes complete sense. Check if a map contains a key by using the .has function, get the amount of objects in a map by using the .size function, get a value using the .get function, and use the delete function to delete a key from the map. Another great feature of maps is that you are no longer limited to just using strings as keys, and instead you can use a map to be a key of a map, to be a key of a map, to be a key of a map. You now have everything you need to know to slay your next interview that requires 10 years of JavaScript map experience. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.